welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to take a close look at the Wedoit system itself. I already did a building video about it, so check it out if you missed it out. And yeah, let's take a close look at the system, play some games, and what are we going to get? Here he is, the Wedoit Play or Build With Yourself. This is the 10th anniversary edition, or this was a saying over here, made in Korea. So no people, no made in China this time. So that is pretty unique if you ask me. So the first thing that I've noticed about the system while building it, it feels like a really quality product. So I'm not a big expert on PCB boards, but the PCB board itself looks like a very nice quality PCB board. As you can see here, we can find the SD slot. It's pretty damn basic, just sliding in, no clicking mechanism. Here we find the battery, a little bit obvious, don't you think? AB, we have a D-pad, and I must say it's a little bit loose, the D-pad. The buttons got a nice touch to it. These are all rubber buttons, the top buttons over here. Volume control, going back to the menu, select and start, basic. Little speaker, I can already tell you this thing is pretty damn loud. And we have this connector, I think it's more for programming, something like that. I have really no clue. I couldn't figure it out. And here at the side we are finding the on and off switch. And on this side we are finding not only the CF card we mentioned before, but we have here the micro USB. Alright, let's power it on. And let's see what we're going to get. I'm running out of time, people. Oh yeah. So for powering on the system, this is what we're going to get. So let's do a little bit of an overview. Here at the left top corner we are finding the volume control. On pressing this button we can just adjust volume. Here at the right top we are finding how much battery life we still have. And let's do a little bit of scroll through the platforms that it's supported. So as you can see here we got ColecoVision, Game Gear, Master System, Game Boy Color and Game Boy and NES. I don't know in the future if they're going to upgrade it, but it's a little bit pointless because we only have an A and a B button. When powering on a game, every time you boot up game, it's asking you to resume or play. So pressing A, you're going back to the last time you, let's say saved or quick save, and or just pressing start and reset the game. It's also giving you a little bit of this, the little cover of the game you're going to play. I think this is a very awesome extra. Sound emulation is pretty damn good. Give me the power. Give it to me now. We're going to blow him up. Walk into my trap. Oh, this is going to take forever this time. Oh no. Oh, 2 enemy ones. Ooh. I knew I was screwed. Oh man. Stop moving. I want to hit you with the pipe. Oh, that was really cheesy. Oh my god, you're serious? You're serious with me? You cheesy bastard. Really annoying. Hey, I can even throw the pipe. Nice. And now we are going to play a little bit of Sega Game Gear. So for the final conclusion about the Wedoit, do it yourself! I really like it. It's a very nice product, good screen. It only has a support for older systems, so keep that one in mind. But the system seems to be running the games very good. I noticed some little bit of screen tearing with some games on the NES, but maybe it's been fixed in the future. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell.